So again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. I'm going to make sure I'm zoomed out so you can see what I'm doing. That over there is my little 8-inch canvas round. And right below you, or right here, is my paint. And I want to take the paint, because I can, put it on the canvas. And maybe I can and maybe I can't. But there are some cool patterns in there. And I see no reason why not to try. I will probably spin it out. I have a bowl-shaped surface I'm working on, so it's not impossible for me to pick it up and scoop it out. Which I kind of like. I got that at Home Goods. I'm not afraid to tip, and I'm definitely interested in the cool patterns that are left behind and seeing what I can do with them rather than throw them away. And I can always add pillow paint because I have a bottle of it saved that I used to set up my last painting. This is the OXO Omelette Turning Flip and Fold Miraculously Paint Spreading Spatula. And I have just used pretty much enough of that paint, so I don't think I'm going to make... I wish it would relax off. There we go. I'll relax it off on this side. I think what I want to do is use my palette knife to clean off my spatula. Throw those in the bucket and choose what to do now, which would be throw some of that pillow paint, which is Latex House paint, white semi-gloss from Colour Place. And I'm going to use some pink diamond. And some Hobby Lobby brand Dioxazine purple with Aussie Floetrol. The mixture should be below the video. You know what? I got out my little world's smallest blower just to try this. It's a sort of an anything goes moment, so we might as well try whatever. If you want it to not make a mess of things, you got to lift it up high enough and then lower it down in position. And now I have to decide if I have some more gold around here. I thought I had a bunch of gold. I thought I had a rather large container actually. But I believe this is pumpkin spice and not what I anticipated at all. No, looks like pumpkin spice to me. Not really what I want. But fortunately I do have a bunch of other colors. I want water dragon. Yes, I do. And I think I'm being tempted to some blue velvet. And while I'm at it, how about a little bit of Frozen? And a little bit more pink diamond. And maybe just a squeeze. Oh, that's really off its track. I flipped my turntable over so the small pedestal is fitting inside the little collar that's on the bottom, holding up the tray. I'm just going to use one of my small tools, I think, if I have one handy, which I really should. Okay, I'll grab a very small tool. I'm going to use black. I just decided. Okay, it's not bad for leftovers. Bloom leftovers. Kind of want to do something though. What am I thinking? I'm thinking bonfire and pink diamond. And cell activator. Interesting. No idea what it's going to return to when it returns, if it returns. I could definitely pull a few things in. Make the impression of some petals. There, I kind of like that. This over here is a little different. I'm going to give this a little spin out. That's not what I want. I want a tool with a dull end. And I think there's something in there. Yeah. Oh, I pulled a Mainer. Yeah. I'm a New Yorker, by the way. I just got caught in Maine and stuck there for many years. I don't think a few spirals are going to hurt anything. Pretty good for leftover paint, I think. There's not a lot of it to go over the edge, so I'll probably be picking up paint that goes over in drips in little areas and then using it. I could just color match. It's not completely centered, but I kind of think that means that the paint will come off one area more than others. And that's something I'm liking at the moment. Come out. Not just on my finger this time. There. Now I'm happy. I'm happy with all of that. I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. If you need the acetate tool video, just ask me for it if I didn't remember to put it in. And I'll do my best to add that. I love spirals. I can't help it. Yep, alright, I'm going to zoom in. And then I'm going to touch up my edges with the paint that's fallen down below. And there is some, in spite of the fact that there was never much of a pillow. Sorry, it's very easily blending in with the background. Which is a little unfortunate for getting a better view. I love you guys. You'll see it better in the thumbnail. You can always ask me to see pictures on the community board. If you go to my YouTube channel, you can find the community board and my playlists. And if you're looking for more videos, there's over 2,300 of them organized by topic, genre, and by the 100. And if you can't find what you're looking for, ask me, because I've got them all saved, all the links, all the way back to the very first list. Which reminds me, my Amazon link is on the link tree below the video, and you can find my 2 books there that have the first and the second 100 videos with all of the pouring recipes and all of the tools and all of the methods, techniques to make them. And they're fairly popular. People seem to like them a lot. So if you have questions, please ask me. My community board will show you tomorrow's video also. On my link tree, you'll find Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, Facebook groups, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group for Students, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, totes and more. Will take you to shop pixels.com and Fine Art America, and you might see some clothing from Spring there. Spring is below the video. You can click on any of those items of clothing and find lots of great stuff, and all over print leggings and all over print t-shirts are there, as well as other things. If you need help having a piece of artwork added to something, if it's not where you want to find it, Society 6, also Spring, and lately Le Gallerist. Le Gallerist is investment quality clothing made in Montreal. And I have yet to add some of the designs they invited me to add, and I better get busy. It's the holidays coming right up. So if you need to reach me, my email address is below the link tree. It's easpb, the word gallery spelled out, @gmail.com. Feel free. Please give me a thumbs up. I love it when you share my videos. It helps my channel. When you watch longer, it's helpful. Your comments help my morale and my channel. And when you watch the commercials, you help me buy art supplies the same as you would if you were shopping from my Amazon link. Eventually, after a long time, it adds up to being very helpful, and I appreciate you guys who are shopping my Amazon link. Thank you so much for all the donations that help keep me painting all this time. And if you'd like to be included in the monthly drawing and you make a donation through PayPal, the icon is on the bottom right-hand corner of my YouTube channel banner, or the link is on the link tree. You'll be sent an automatic invitation from me. Well, it's not automatic. I actually have to do it, but I will invite you to join the drawing, and you can see the prizes for the monthly drawing that ends and begins on the beginning of the month at the beginning of the exhibition video that's included on the end screen of this video. I love you guys. I'm long-winded. Wow. I give lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida, and I do sell my artwork, and use my email address if you'd like to contact me regarding either one of those. I'm going to be popping some bubbles and covering my edges. I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Bye for now. Priscilla out. I'll see you anon. 7 days a week. Sometime between noon and 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. See ya!